Hello friends, I am Dr. Deepa Nair from Hyderabad, and today I am going to discuss on yet another important topic, reverse mortgage for the senior citizens. Reverse mortgage loan is found to be really helpful for the senior citizens who are looking for a regular source of income or to supplement their meager income to meet their daily needs. However, I realize that this concept of reverse mortgage is not popular in India because it is not properly understood, and many senior citizens are not even aware that such a scheme or loan exists, as it is poorly marketed by the banks and other financial institutions. There is a general lack of awareness on this topic, and my attempt is to create awareness and sensitize on this topic that may help the elderly population. Friends, with growing population of senior citizens in India, a large section of this population suffers from a wide range of problems ranging from medical, social to financial. In the absence of secure and sufficient income to support themselves, they are by and large dependent on family members and are often victims of harassment and abuse in the family. To make life comfortable and respectable to the elderly in their sunset years, this reverse mortgage comes in handy when they are facing a financial crisis with no source of income to fund their medical and financial needs. So, what is this reverse mortgage all about? Reverse mortgage loans are a unique type of home loans designed for senior citizens and require no monthly mortgage payments. In simple terms, reverse mortgage is the exact opposite of regular mortgage loans. In regular mortgage, the individual pays equated monthly installments or EMI to the financial institution for buying a property. However, in reverse mortgage, the senior citizen who owns a house or a residential property but lacks a regular source of income can mortgage his property with the bank or financial institution, and the bank pays the individual a regular amount. The bank has a right to sell the property after the death of the customer, and the excess amount, if any, is remitted back to the legal heirs. The reverse mortgage loan, or RML as it is called, was introduced in India in the year 2007 by the central government to improve the life of house owning senior citizens. This product is beneficial for senior citizens who do not have adequate income to support themselves, and this loan enables them to meet their day-to-day expenses pertaining to food, medicine, and repair of the house. All the nationalized banks and other private and public financial institutions offer this reverse mortgage loan. So, what is the eligibility criteria for availing this loan? A reverse mortgage loan is available to citizens of India who are over the age of 60 years. In case of a couple looking for a reverse mortgage, at least one of the spouses must be over the age of 60, while the other has to be over 55 or 58 years of age, depending on the bank. The maximum loan provided under this scheme is 60% of the property cost, or up to a maximum of rupees 50 lakhs. The minimum tenure of the loan is 10 years, while the maximum tenure varies from bank to bank. The borrower can either opt for monthly, quarterly, yearly, or lump sum payments. The property must be re-evaluated every 5 years by the bank or the housing finance company. The income received from a reverse mortgage will be tax-free and is considered a loan, as it is considered a loan, and the rates on a reverse mortgage may vary from bank to bank and the type of loan the borrower has opted for. A borrower can repay the loan at any point of time during the term of the loan without attracting a prepayment fee. In most cases, there is no compulsion regarding the repayment time. A borrower can redeem it even before the agreed time duration. Also, one need not repay the mortgage as long as one lives in his or her house. Payment is due only when the person passes away or sells or moves out of his or her residential property. In case of borrower's death, the bank holds all the rights to sell the property and recover the loan. and if the proceeds exceeds the loan amount, the due amount, then the bank is obliged to return the same to the legal heirs. However, without letting the property get sold by the bank, the legal heirs can still get the mortgage released by the repayment of the loan amount along with the accumulated interest. The no prepayment penalty feature is also there, which eases out the burden of borrowers and letting them make the advance payment of the loan as and when possible. After a lifetime of working and raising families, you will agree with me that the senior citizens are entitled to a good retirement period, and this reverse mortgage loan is a great financial tool for them to live independently and is an excellent option for those who wish to have a better lifestyle but are lacking in covering their expenses from the meager income that they are getting from other sources. And the thought of being financially independent and not running short of funds in case of medical emergencies and not being a burden on their children results in a lot of mental peace and a restored sense of dignity to the elderly. For more information on reverse mortgage loans, you can visit any of the nearest banks. So friends, please share this information with the elderly, people you know of, or who are in financial distress and in need of a regular source of income to meet their daily needs. And by disseminating this information, you can help ease their problems to a large extent. If you like this video, do not forget to press the like button and share it with your friends and families. And please do share your thoughts on this. Thank you.